Winter weather can turn dangerous in a hurry. Winter weather warnings aren't just alerts, they're critical tools to help you prepare and stay safe. Ignoring these warnings can result in accidents, loss of utilities, or being unprepared for sudden emergencies. We're going to walk through 10 things you absolutely gotta do when a winter weather warning is issued. All right, folks, first things first, let's decode those weather warnings. Understanding these warnings can make a huge difference in how you prepare and respond to severe weather conditions. A winter storm warning means heavy snow, sleet, or freezing rain. Serious stuff that could make travel dangerous. This isn't just a light dusting of snow, we're talking about conditions that can lead to accidents and road closures. A blizzard warning means whiteout conditions with heavy snow and strong winds, making it almost impossible to see. Visibility can drop to near zero and the wind chill can be dangerously low. If you find yourself under a blizzard warning, stay put. It's best to remain indoors where it's safe and warm. Going outside can be extremely hazardous. An ice storm warning is all about freezing rain, leading to power outages and dangerous driving conditions. Ice can accumulate on trees and power lines, causing them to break and fall. Roads become slick and treacherous. Each warning tells a different story, so pay close attention. These alerts are designed to give you the information you need to stay safe and make informed decisions. These warnings are your cue to get ready. Stock up on essential supplies like food, water, and medications. Make sure you have an emergency kit prepared with items like flashlights, batteries, and blankets. Stay informed and stay safe. Keep an eye on weather updates through TV, radio, or smartphone apps. Discuss your emergency plan with your family so everyone knows what to do. Being prepared can make all the difference. Time to channel your inner grocery shopper and get ready to make some smart choices. Because step 2 is all about stocking up on the essentials that will keep you and your family safe and comfortable. We're talking about enough food, water, and essential supplies to last at least 3 days, but ideally, you should aim for a week or more. Think non-perishable items, canned goods like beans, soups, and vegetables, granola bars, peanut butter, and other high-energy snacks that can keep you going. And don't forget a manual can opener because you won't want to be stuck with cans you can't open. Also, make sure you have your medications and a well-stocked first aid kit. This can be a lifesaver in emergencies. Severe winter weather can close stores and make roads impassable, so it's best to be prepared for any situation. Don't forget to store plenty of water. Aim for at least 1 gallon per person per day. And remember, power outages are common during storms, so stock up on batteries, flashlights, and emergency candles. It's all about peace of mind, knowing you have everything you need to weather the storm. Being prepared means you can focus on staying safe and comfortable no matter what comes your way. Step 3 is all about staying connected, even when the lights go out. Charge your phones, laptops, and tablets to 100%. A generator can be a lifesaver during a winter storm, so make sure it's in good working order. Don't forget about flashlights and a battery-powered radio. Keep them handy, along with a fresh supply of batteries. You'll be glad you did if the lights go out. Time to button up that house. Winter is coming, and it's crucial to ensure your home is well prepared to face the cold months ahead. Step 4 is all about making sure your home is ready. This means taking proactive steps to safeguard your living space from the harsh winter elements. Check your windows and doors for drafts and seal them up tight. Drafts can let in cold air, making your heating system work harder and increasing your energy bills. Insulate your pipes to prevent freezing and bursting. Frozen pipes can cause significant damage and costly repairs, so it's essential to wrap them with proper insulation. Give your heating system a quick once-over and set your thermostat to a comfortable temperature. Regular maintenance of your heating system ensures it runs efficiently and keeps your home warm. Have a backup heating option like a portable space heater, but never leave it unattended. Space heaters can be a great supplemental heat source, but they also pose a fire risk if not used properly. The goal is to keep warm air in and frigid air out. Proper insulation and sealing can make a significant difference in maintaining a cozy home environment. Be prepared to keep your home safe and warm. Taking these steps now can save you from headaches and discomfort during the winter months. Stay proactive and enjoy a warm, safe home all winter long. Step 5 is all about staying put. Winter storms can make roads treacherous with icy conditions and reduced visibility. Stay off the roads unless it's absolutely essential. If you must drive, ensure your car is ready with snow tires, a full tank of gas, and an emergency kit. Safety comes first when it comes to winter weather. Stay safe by staying off the roads. Step 6 is all about staying in the know. Weather conditions can change rapidly, so stay updated on the latest forecasts and warnings. Keep an eye on your local news and weather apps for real-time alerts. If the power goes out, use a battery-powered or hand-crank weather radio. It'll be your lifeline to the outside world, providing continuous weather updates. Knowledge is power during a winter storm, Step 7 is all about being prepared for the unexpected. Create an emergency plan and discuss it with your family. Decide on a designated meeting place in case you get separated. Exchange contact information and designate an out-of-town relative to check in with. Communication is key during an emergency. Having a plan in place can reduce stress and confusion. Step 8 is all about making sure our furry, feathered and hooved friends are safe. Bring outdoor pets inside and ensure they have a warm, dry place to stay. Keep their food and water bowls full and ensure their water source won't freeze. For livestock, provide adequate shelter and access to unfrozen water. Our animals depend on us, so let's take care of them. Step 9 takes us back to the car. Have an emergency kit stashed in your car at all times during the winter months. Pack blankets, extra hats, gloves, scarves, and non-perishable snacks. A little something to eat and drink can make a world of difference if you're stuck. Be prepared for unexpected road closures or getting stuck in traffic. Your car emergency kit is your personal safety net. Our final step is all about staying cozy and safe inside your home. Close off unused rooms to conserve energy. Layer up with thermal underwear, sweaters, and thick socks. Wear a hat and gloves to keep extremities warm. If you shovel snow, take it slow and steady to avoid overexertion. Stay warm and safe indoors during the storm. So there you have it, folks. 10 essential steps to help you weather those winter storms safely. Preparation is key. By taking these steps seriously, you increase your safety and comfort. We've covered everything from understanding weather warnings to stocking up on essentials and creating an emergency plan. Be prepared, stay informed, and most importantly, stay safe and stay warm.